I bought this decommissioned fireman's hosepipe for 60 bucks. I'm going to try and make a ball out of it. After cutting off a few strips of hosepipe, it's then easy to stamp out the cells I need. I'm going to do another 92-piece ball construction, 12 pentagons and 80 hexagons. To make the ball a bit more visually interesting, I'm going to flip alternating cells revealing the interior of the hosepipe. It's going to change the final ball from just being one solid colour to being two-tone. We have a trip planned to visit my family in England, so this ball's going to be my little holiday project. I carried this little collection of cells everywhere. I counted and there were stitches made in 7 different hotels, 3 different countries, various bars and restaurants, and even a moving train. Alison even made a celebrity stitch, which is quite an honour. Congratulations. I didn't have as much time as I usually do to make progress whilst travelling, so it took over 2 weeks. I didn't even finish it by the time I got back. The last couple of cells were done in my apartment back in St. Louis, and I crossed my fingers and I pumped it up. There's a few frayed edges that I tried to tidy up with a bit of fire. I don't think this is the best looking ball in the world. In fact, I think it's quite ugly. So you can make a ball from a hosepipe. Should you? Probably not. Nike Air Force Ones. A classic shoe by anyone's standards. Let's see if it makes a classic ball. All of the shoes going into this ball have some sort of damage or defect, making them harder to sell. Luckily for the ball, that doesn't matter. I wanted to get a few clean Nike ticks on this ball, spread out across the cells. The tick that's on the side of the shoe is way too large for any individual cell, so it has to be spread across a few. 3 to be precise. 2 hexagons and 1 pentagon. This project took over my life and apartment for an entire week. Just for future reference, destroying 8 pairs of shoes creates quite the mess. This is what I got for my troubles. 12 pentagons and 80 hexagons. It's around this stage when you get a good sense if the ball's going to be good or not. I'm excited about this one. It's really interesting how the ball really captures the essence of the shoe. It really looks and feels like a Nike Air Force One ball. I love it. There's the tick. 2 shoes for 1 tick, and it's 3 ticks on the ball. Everything's white. White leather, white accents, white thread. Really, really clean looking ball, this one. So there it is. I spent the past 2 weeks prototyping a completely new ball construction. I think it's my most mental one yet. It has 232 cells in total, more than any ball I've ever made. It's based on the standard 32-piece ball design, but the cells are made up of 3 smaller shapes. 8 half hexagons come together to create a bigger hexagon, and this little shape is made from extending the lines from all of the half hexagons. And 5 of these little shapes create a pentagon. In case you were wondering, yes, the more cells that the ball has, the better the ball is. It's like horsepower in cars, or number of blades in a razor. It's just better. Alright, fine, maybe not. It's definitely much worse if you're trying to make a viable product. It would have to be a pretty expensive ball if it was a product. It's impractical to the point of absurdity. I love it.